Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're returning, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be making some jerk ribs with yellow rice and corn. Okay, so as you can see, I'm seasoning the ribs. So I use adobo, some garlic powder, some black pepper, some garlic and herb seasoning, and some jerk seasoning. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix that up really well. If you're enjoying my videos so far, make sure to like them and make sure to comment. And let me know if you will try the recipes you've been seeing on my channel. Okay, so here I added some browning. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the ribs in the pan. Then I'm gonna add a little water and some butter. Then I'm gonna put them in the oven. Now that the ribs are in the oven, I went ahead and started the rice. So I added 2 cups of water, some butter. I'm adding some adobo seasoning. Now I'm gonna add some sazon. Now it's time to add the rice. So I washed 1 cup of rice and added that in. Okay, now we're gonna put the top on, turn it down low and let that cook. Now that the ribs are done and the rice is done, this is the plate. Don't it look good, y'all?